Hi there. Good morning. New day, new opportunities. We have sat through the night. Not me, Darsh, and I both. We have sat through the night. Wait a second. And this guy has slept through the night.
Through the night, 1 2 hours
He
sleep it
did
won't
45
count.
push-ups.
And also lost to me.
लॉस्ट टू मी लॉस्ट कुछ नहीं होता है लॉस्ट कुछ नहीं होता है मैं अभी बहुत दिनों से खाया पिया नहीं हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई लूज बट एनी हाउ ये भाई से आराम से जीत सकता हूँ घंटा
In your dreams.
इन योर डीप पिंक 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 अभी बात कर
So we have finally built a very MVP version of the app. I'm really happy with whatever Dash has put in the efforts and everything. We have something. Yesterday morning when I came in, I was low on confidence even though the idea was strong. I got a lot of validations. Then we worked, we fought through, like fought it out with Dash as well. He was first time he heard, he was like, "It's not possible." I'm like, "How come? Just give it a try." So it's possible, and like yeah, it's done. Let's see how the presentation goes and everything. Kopal and Muskan will be here in an hour, and we are here for our breakfast. So I'll see you at the breakfast table. Super happy. Kopal, Muskan, and my brother Sumit. They all are here to see us win. Like obviously, Kopal and Muskan are here to win together. My brother is here to see us win. So let's see how we do it. The wireframe is almost ready. The app was throwing some error, so it took us 2.5 hours to get it fixed. It was basic app error that took us an hour to figure out. That's what happens when you're already in a hackathon. A lot of mistakes, learnings, and everything. You do a crash course, right? So the wireframe is just getting ready. It's very simple, very clean, very efficient. Whatever we have built, let's show you. Just give me a moment. I'll be right back. So here is our idea. I hope and I believe it gets us to win. Even if it doesn't, I am going to take it forward as my idea for some business. Let's see. So here it goes. This is our current notification panel. Cluttered, noisy, and overwhelming. Right? We all have this. So what our app does is once you click on organize with AI, so it's clean, organized, and intelligent. You see a summary of all your messages that are there. You see your priority, important, spam, everything, and yep, boom. That intrigues you to start onboarding. So here we go. Get started. So rest of the action later. I hope we win.
जीत जा 1 लाख मिले भाई का 2 लाख 1 लाख मेरा डन
ठीक
पार्टी
है
खत्म
ठीक है बाकी लोगों को कोई हिस्सा नहीं मिलेगा
भाई उसका सेशन नाम चेंज हो जाएगा ना पहले अभी बोल रहा था एक्स एम्प्लॉय अभी बोलेगा एक्स एम्प्लॉय विनर हैकाथॉन Mic drop.
कम बैक होता ऐसा हो नहीं तो ना हो
हाँ नहीं वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कम बैक होना
नहीं कम बैक तो होना ही चाहिए जैसा भी हो कम बैक होना चाहिए यस So it's already lunchtime and we are yet to go for lunch. Already submitted all the files, folders and everything, links and everything. So now the demos have started. So yeah, I was super pumped. I spoke to a lot of pioneers of the industry and everyone is like, how will you solve for distribution? The product, everything is good, but how will you solve for distribution? So that's one thing that I'll think through for the next 1 hour or so and show up for the demo. Let's see.
So your notification screen is the most valuable real estate in its life. But today, apps own it, not you.
यार आज तो मीटिंग था यार मेरा
Shit, निकलना पड़ेगा भाई अब। वो तो अबे यार shit, सारी सेल्स जल्दी आ गई और फिर हम मेरे को shit man, कोई आप नहीं है यार रोज नोटिफिकेशन बंद करो भाई चिल कर नोटिफाई कर। Yes. So this is how our current notification panel looks like, and this is with AI, right? With Notify, it's like cluttered, noisy, and overwhelming. This is the first visual that you see when you turn towards your screen, when you get up in the morning, when you take both breaks and everything, and you end up getting into the stimulus that the apps have sent, right? And end up doom scrolling or taking any other stimulus and drifting away from your original goal. Let's say you took up a meeting or you had something committed and you end up wasting time scrolling. So now with Notify, it's like clean, organized, and intelligent, right? Next slide. So
It's time for the results.
the team that stood second.
Let's see.
You've done a lot of hard work, guys.
What's gonna happen? I don't know.
Just please, Prashant.
Fortunately, we are not second. Oh, nice. बंद करो, बंद करो. Oh, nice. 1 lakh plus AI credits. Runner up. 2 लोग थे, 2-3 लोग थे. Hook worthy content, consumer consumption बढ़ाने के लिए.
Guys,
Let's see.
big hands for the judges. The kind of remarks they had was very detailed, where they looked at the larger picture, looked at.
Let's see if we win or just rank.
Well,
I don't know. Judges are really happy, but let's see.
Enjoy those late night pizzas and Red Bull, and this is like a flashback to that. I really
While giving the presentation, I was feeling hot, warm all over. Now I'm like
after a long
cold.
time I missed that.
My hands are cold, sweating. I don't know.
Yeah, great work.
I've never won a competition. Just giving live reaction. Let's see. If I don't win, another loss. If I win, it's a big win for me.
Good luck.
My parents. This is my ex company, and I'm like, let's see.
I just walked away feeling that it's such an interesting time to be building for the
Speeches and
consumer media.
suspenses.
One, you have this huge AI tailwind that is now unlocking so many interesting use cases. At the growth stage, where I usually spend time, we will only see content creation apps or apps related to companions,
Looking for
etc.
other
But here
judges
there
and
are
all.
so many diverse ideas that I'm just so excited for what are we going to see over the next decade. And then on the other side, you have this
किसको
insane
कह रहा
consumer
भाई?
tailwind
अच्छा,
in India,
संदीप
where
को.
obviously we're benefiting from GDP per capita
Some guy was
growth,
just
and
pointing
suddenly
towards
the
me.
wallets of consumers
Sandeep was
are
looking for
growing. Not
Sandeep.
just in tier 1, but we're
And
seeing
Sandeep was just standing behind me.
focused startups also do so well.
They're
So
building
seeing
the
these two
suspense
come
so
together,
well.
I think this is almost like a magical
Let's see.
moment to be building, and that's the energy that I took away from here. So thank you for jamming through the night, and thank you for the amazing demos. It was truly a privilege to see all of the pitches. Thank you.
He is Sandeep. I participated in an hackathon with him last year. With senior people on board, had a good feature, but we did not make it because it would have been very biased. At least I don't know if we deserved or not.
Thanks a lot for everybody to
Yeah.
build.
He's very humble, very
I
nice
was
guy.
helpful. I was trying to at least talk to
Guide
you
us
across
everywhere.
here.
We did have it and everything. That was his catch.
All right. I would be very happy to announce the winner now. The winner of this hackathon. Yeah, we should take guesses now. Guesses, please. Link, please. Okay. Guys, come on.
Notify. Let's see.
Come on, guys. आप लोगों ने मस्त बनाया है यार. Good, nice, very cool. So the winner is Minus Social.
Nice. We did not win, guys.
Please.
Nice. Each rejection is like a redirection.
वो तुम लेकर आए थे? रैंडम इन्होंने यहाँ से इसका खाना था वो कोपल ने अपने बैग में डाल लिया है, तो एटलीस्ट खाना मिला हमको यहाँ से। तो कोपल तुझसे मैंने ये उम्मीद नहीं करी थी कि कोपल ने से खाना कुछ चुरा लिया है। छोड़ परे।
ये सारे केबिन्स के नाम ना ऐसे सिद्ध स्थलों के नाम पे रखे हैं, काशी, अयोध्या, ऋषिकेश। बाय बाय दक्ष भाई। हाय दक्ष, तेरे से तो कम ही भाई है मेरा। ठीक है,
करो आप कंटिन्यू करो, सब सेटअप करके दिया है, प्रोग्रेस बताना है।
आगे भी तो करेगा। वीकेंड पे कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
नहीं वीकेंड देखते हैं, इधर का काम बहुत है।
हाँ, संदीप वही कह रहा था, दक्ष नहीं मिलेगा।
फुल रिक्वेस्ट भेज दो मुझे।
We have come here at a restaurant. I think today someone is winning, at least India, Team India against South Africa. So we have come at a restaurant to like sit together and celebrate. So we have come here to just sit with each other at some place silently and everything. I'm still not sleepy. I did feel a dip a while ago, but I'm still like, that's okay. I don't know, full of energy. I'll go home and I'll be dead asleep, I know. So I'm not sure if I'll see you later in the night or not, but this is like good night, sleep tight and peace out. I'll see you tomorrow. Also, I haven't been a lot of videos in the past few days, so starting tomorrow maybe the narration will change a little. Let's see. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.